All right, another little update. Got my stove in. Got it piped in. Got a sticker up there, got to remove. And the wood for the mantle and the surround that I'm building is being cut right now. And I got to let it dry. So it'll probably be 3 or 4 months before I do that. But got tile started in the kitchen. Yes, it is that color, because that's what my wife wants. Ran out of adhesive, so I got a few pieces over here I gotta finish up. But appliances are in, water works, dishwasher's hooked up, refrigerator's hooked up. Got our kitchen table in. That came last week, I think. And oh yeah, pantry. Got our shelving units in here. Got the just kind of commercial roll around racks. That way if you ever spill anything, you just roll them out of the way. And I'm going to put shelving up above that, permanent shelving, at the height of the top of the door, all the way around. But yep, so that. And I haven't started on master shower yet. Well, I did. I got all the mud and waterproof barriers and everything up. This is guest bath. It's pretty much done. Put up the curtain rod, and I got a mirror I need to hang up above the sink. But other than that, this is pretty much done. And I got a master shower. All the floor is in and leveled. So you can see that it's even with the pan. I did have to raise it up out here a little bit, just to make sure that if water spills out here, it'll drain. And all of the curdy is up. And that's where I'm going to start my tile, right there. So, yep, that's it. That's all I got so far. Work in progress.